this is Araceli, and today I'm going to be making some gorditas out of hamburger meat and potatoes. So this is the hamburger meat that I'm going to use. And I need to turn on my stove, that would work too. So I put in the hamburger meat, and then, like I said before, everybody likes their own spices, what they use. So you could add what you want. I'm adding salt, and I don't put grease in the meat because I don't like it to be greasy. A little bit of cumin and pepper. I like a lot of pepper, so I open it up. And then I'm just gonna break off the meat and mix the ingredients. And then I'm gonna let it sit here and cook. Come in here. So this is the hamburger meat that's gonna be cooking, and we will come back when it's brown. Hi, I'm gonna show y'all what I do in the meantime while the meat is browning. I play with my grandbaby, Eulalia. We call her Lala, right? Yes, we do. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Say hello. And there's Abraham, my son.
Taste tester.
Say hi, Lala.
Ow.
Lala. Hello there. Hello, say hello. Okay, now you could say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye. Okay, so we're back, and the meat is already brown. So there's the meat, and I had already cut potatoes up, and I had them soaking in water, but I threw out the water, and I'm just gonna throw the potatoes in. And I'm gonna mix it and add just a little bit more salt. Not too much because I don't like salty food. A little bit more pepper, or a lot. And I'm gonna add water. And I didn't measure, I just got water to throw it in. And I'm gonna get a little bit more because it needs to cover that up more. Okay, so I'll just add a little bit more salt because of the water. A little bit more cumin. And a little bit more pepper. And then I don't use tomato sauce. I use the consommate. And this is a new one. I forgot. And I don't measure. I just put some in the lid and throw some in. And then it depends on how red you like it. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more because it doesn't look red enough. And I'm gonna add also a little bit of the chicken broth. I don't buy the cubes because then I have to be worried if they dissolved. So this is like powder form, which makes it easier for me. So it's just a little bit. And then I stir that, and I'm thinking I'm gonna need a little bit more water.
like a lot of water.
So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna let it cook here with the lid on. And once the potatoes are soft, then it's ready. And then I'll show you how I do the gordita part. Okay, so the meat's ready, and I'm gonna make the gordita now. And this is masa. It's from Maseca. I don't have the bag because I put them in my jars right there. So, and this is so easy. All you gotta do is add water. So, and you mix it. And the way you know this is ready, it's not sticky anymore. Oops. And it's not too thick. All right, see? Just blend it all in. Because once it's ready, it won't stick to your hand no more. See how it comes off? So then we come over here, and I put the oil to heat up, but I just turned it on. So I'm gonna put it on high, because I want the oil to get hot fast. And on the gordita, people will do them different. Some people cut them open and they stuff the gordita inside, but I have a big family, so I'm like really quick, and I think you could get more meat on top anyway if you just put it on top, which is what I'm gonna do. And then you could add, the little kids just like cheese, the bigger ones they like lettuce, tomato, avocado, so it's the way you like to eat it. I'm making the potato and meat for dinner today. I have also made out of chicken. I have also made out of bean and cheese. So I actually have also made out of eggs. So there's like different ways, whatever topping you want to put on your meat, it's your choice. And it cooks pretty quickly. And this is Brody here, just looking to see if he can get something, but there's nothing for him. And I'm gonna need a spatula to flip it. And I'm just waiting for the oil to heat up. And then I have, well, what I do is I get a ball, and not a big ball. See, it's a little ball. And there are these that you can use. It's heavy. My stepfather made this for me, and you could put it in here. You could put it in here, and you put it between the bags so that it doesn't stick, and then you close it and you do this and it'll flatten it out. But I mainly just use this when I'm making the homemade corn tortillas, which is also with this. So this is pretty hot already. And what I do is I just flatten it out with my hand. So, see? And then I throw it in the oil. And I'm gonna do another one real quick, so I can make 2 at a time. And then I'm gonna throw this in here. And then, see, they cook really quick. You can also throw them in a deep fryer. I don't have a deep fryer anymore. And then flip it. You see how it's already brown? They cook really quick. They don't take long to cook at all. And then I have a napkin here, because I was only going to do one. So let me grab another one real quick. And I put them on the napkin for obvious reasons, to drain the grease. Oil, I keep it. It's a grease. Alright, so here's 2 of them. And let me just rinse my hands real quick, because I have them outside. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put them on a plate. See? And then I'm going to use a spoon, because I don't want the juice. You could eat this like that with the juice, and my kids like it with the juice. So I'm draining the juice because I don't want it to get soggy. And then I pour it on top. And my kids love this. And just a little bit of extra. See? And then we could come over here. And then again, it's the way you like it. My son just got off of work and he's hungry and he wants everything. And I usually make some rice for the side. So there's lettuce. Probably should have cut more tomato because he likes a lot of tomato. Tomato, cheese, there's the cheese, and then he cut the avocado and he cut it really thick. So, okay, and this is the way I make my gorditas. So again, you could use any topping you want. And I hope you enjoy it. I hope you try it, enjoy it. If you do, hit like and subscribe.